Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Resident Evil Requiem for free. Unlocks intense survival horror, non-stop action, and chilling thrills without spending any money. So as you can see, I did this method myself, and it worked. And I am now playing Resident Evil Requiem for free without spending any money. So if you guys follow all my steps here in this video, you'll be able to get Resident Evil Requiem for free. So let's get right into it. So to get the entire game for free, all you guys have to do is go on your mobile device, because I'm going to show you a website that gives out free codes that you can get instantly. And I recommend doing it on mobile, because it's easier to get the code on mobile than on PC, but you can do either or. So go to this site called wolfcoupons.com. On this site, you can get codes and coupons to get free games, free discounts on clothing, software, and so much more. And it really does work. Anyways, now that we're on the site, use the search bar on the site and type in Resident Evil Requiem for free. This will find the code. Now all we have to do is tap on it, then you will take us to this page, and now all we have to do is click the Show Coupon Code button. It's going to show part of the code, but to unlock the rest of the code, we have to click the Get Full Code. Then once you click that, you now just have to wait for it to load to 100%. Now once it fully loads, it's going to take us to a page that looks like this. So before the full code will reveal itself, we have to do one last step. All we need to do is complete 3 free offers from this page, and once we do 3, the code will fully reveal, and you just take it and redeem it. But guys, it's very important you do this last step correctly, otherwise it will not work. So I will do it now. Some of the offers are really easy, like, for example, this Travel Town one wants us to download the game and play until level 6. But also, the games or apps you see might be different than the ones I have. That's completely normal, because it can be different depending on your location, but I'm gonna do the Travel Town and Dice Dreams ones right now, and I'll be back and show you guys proof that I got my code. But if you don't have Dice Dreams or Travel Town and only have one or none, then don't worry, just do whatever ones you see on the list. Okay guys, so once you do 2 tasks, it redirects you back to the site and it shows this pop-up. And yes, it says Vault Coupons on the video, but that was the old site of Wolf Coupons. They basically rebranded into Wolf Coupons, saying 2 offers successfully completed and reveals the full code to you. So as you can see, it works, and that is great. So guys, it does work, and you will be able to do this as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.